Let me explain how to see or use the AI ant on chart. Basic, listen carefully step by step. From 9:15 to 9:45, BankNifty forms the first 30-minute candle. This candle captures the market's mood. AI ant uses its high and low to draw two levels: buy above if the price breaks upward, sell below if the price breaks downward. Before taking basic traders, please let candle to complete, means when next candle start forming, then only you can take trade. Again repeating, this is for basic traders only. You can see green line and green dashed line, these are buy above or breakout for call buyers or sell put. And you can see red line and red dashed line, these are sell below or breakdown for sellers or put buyers or sell call. As you can see, entry is given, smart target is achieved, no stop loss is hit, see on screen how much target is achieved. Very important, sideways or do not trade, this is to protect your capital for beginners or basic traders. When see this sign, be careful, alert and relax or chill karo, but do not trade. In short, AI ant is fantastic, which gives you all types of signals, every condition of market, in any directions. Once you learn, practice will make you a confident trader. Plus, place the cursor over any label, it will show the help.